In this video, we'll teach you how to withdraw USDT from Pocket Option to your Gate.io account. First of all, you need to log into your account, then click on your profile in the top right. Right here in the left menu, you need to click on Finance and go to the withdrawal. And when you go to the withdrawal page, right here you will see your balance. You will see the minimum withdrawal amount, and in the payment method you need to find the USDT. For example, I will choose Tether USDT Tiers 20 because it's the most popular one. Then you need to enter the amount of USDT you want to withdraw, and you need to paste your TRC20 wallet address from Gate.io. So you need to log into your Gate.io account, then click on Deposit in the top right, select On-Chain Deposit. After that, you need to select USDT in the coin, and in the network, you need to select the TRC20 because we are sending TRC20. So let's copy the wallet address. You can go back to your Pocket Option account and paste the wallet address right here. Then click on Continue and finalize the transaction. In a few minutes, you can check your balance on Gate.io. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to click the like buttons and don't forget to subscribe.